through length and realized that the GoPro Hero 4 wasn't going to be enough for a vlogging camera. So I ordered myself a Sony HX99 and it surprisingly was ordered last night and it arrived this morning. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Got a good weight of the camera. Doesn't feel too light. The battery is obviously not. The battery enough? Well, we'll charge it up and we'll take it for a spin and have a look at how things go in there. Got the vlogging camera set up. So I shall take this out next time we're going out for recording and see if the images stabilization is as good as I'm hoping it is, so that this could be my vlogging camera. Once it's charged up we can get to see all the features, because at the moment it's not charged up. Looking forward to the zoom capability and the 4K footage and the vlogging camera setup. Well, this box should have had a rechargeable battery pack as mentioned here, but it doesn't have a rechargeable battery pack. So we will have to go back and we'll have to get another one. Well, this is a few days later. The weather has been not very good recently, so I had to wait till it was a sunny day. At least it's pretty cold, but at least it's sunny. We get a better view and better filming. But what has happened to all these cows? There used to be tons of them around. I've left everything on autofocus, so because this camera has a lot of facilities and lots of options, but I'm just learning right now. So at the moment I've left it all on autofocus. lot of shadows and sunlight areas, but I'm not sure if the camera is coping with them really well. I'll have to see when I get back and edit, and also to see how the audio is. Although it's a farmer's field, there is a place to walk into the field, so you can step up and step down over the boundary fence and go for a walk in there. I've never done it so far because there's always been lots of cows and bulls around, but maybe once the weather is nicer and not so cold.